Hey guys, Pat here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, we have our little apple tree here, and it's been in this pot for, I don't know, probably, I would say 3 years by now. And every year it puts out a few apples, and it's been doing faithful to us. Now this is going to be part of our new orchard plan for the front and side yard. So we didn't really say we're going to have a side yard orchard, but we are going to have at least 2 apple trees over there, so it's kind of the firewood processing yard and the apple tree yard it's going to be. So I took a stump out just real recently on the side yard, and not too far from that stump I'm going to go ahead and plant this little tree, and we're going to keep it small so it doesn't get large and out of hand and get into the causing the trouble for the house, you know. Planting it far enough away from the foundation where it's not going to cause us any troubles, just in the event that we have to take it out at some point. So this is planned for the side yard, and we have more to come for the front yard. So I got to get this big old pot here. It's 2 cubic feet worth of wet soil. So I got to get this to the front, the side yard, and so I got a new camera here where we're trying. It's a little action camera. This is the first video on its test run, so hang with me. Okay, there's the new home for the apple tree. I think it'll be a little happier here. It's not going to be root bound, and that'll just be part of our other little tree over there. As you can see, past the logs and firewood, and we need to prune that up this year. And this will be a nice addition to our little orchard out front. Later on, I'll go ahead and put a little bit of fertilizer on here. We're going to bring some horse manure around, so we'll put it around the base of the tree. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, and God bless.